Welcome back to my channel. It's Alice Walker here from AliceWalker.London. Today I am going to show you guys how I install my wig. So if you're interested in watching, please keep watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and can be a part of my YouTube family. This is the wig I'm going to install. It's actually 13 by 4 and it's metal pattern, and it's 18 inches, so it's 3 bundles with frontal. This is one of our wigs, the AWL wig. This is the box it came in. It's Hair and Beauty, that's the box here it came in with. So I've just taken it out of the box. It comes out quite just pre-plucked, but not too much, because we don't like to pluck the hair too much. And it comes out washed, you know, tongued out, everything for you. So you don't need to do much to this hair practically. This hair is amazing. It's amazing quality as well. I'm going to take this wig off. My hair is in a mess, so you guys ain't going to see my hair underneath. I'm going to start installing. Take a little bit of my shade foundation color, and I'm going to rub some on the makeup brush. I'm going to rub it on the inside, so when I put it on, it matches my color really, really nicely. And I actually pay particular attention to the edges and also the pattern, where the pattern will be. This is pretty much how it's looking. Look at how it looks on my hand. Right, okay, look. Let's turn it this way. I'm not sure, it's a bit... Okay, I'm gonna put it on my hand there. Oh dear, okay. Can you see? I'm going to secure the hair on the edges, and I'm going to secure this end as well. Okay, now my makeup just came off. Tight. We're gonna put our tights on. You're a rolling stone, but I'm a cannonball. How are you guys coping? Like I said, I'm not sure about any other country, but in the UK the lockdown has eased off drastically, and the numbers of death and the numbers of the virus being contracted has reduced or minimized drastically as well. So now we're able to go out, and all the non-essential shops have all been opened as well, so we're able to go out. But I'm still sort of like quarantined. I mean, I go out to do shopping. Are you guys still in lockdown? Has your lockdown been eased off? I mean, are you guys able to go out to meet friends? Has all the non-essential shops in your country, your local areas, has it all been eased off? Please let me know. Let me know in the comment bar. Okay, so now we're gonna take it off. Ooh, the hair is gone. I actually don't like, you know, the closure, how the hairline is going like this and that and that. Just looks a bit weird. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it off. I normally prefer a smaller scissors, but I can't find my small scissors. So I start off by cutting through the middle, and then cut it. I don't cut it in a straight line. Ooh, I'm cutting the hair. Okay. Oh gosh, I'm cutting my edges. Yeah, we cut the edges off. The edges are not even that much. And we're cutting it off. Really? Then the corner, I gotta be very careful, because there's been a couple of times where I've actually cut it too much. So yeah, I'm gonna be careful. I honestly think I need a small scissors. Please don't cut your ear off. You're not fooling me, not fooling Now I'm going over to wipe any I'm gonna put mousse on the edges of the hair.
I'm a rolling stone, but I'm a cannonball. You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in the clouds, you're delusional. In an ocean of all this emotional. Best be sure I'll be there when you're looking for something
I'm not good at is the front, is gel in the front. I'm not good at it at all. I'm going to put a little bit of mousse at the front as well. Like I said, I'm sorry, that's the best I could do. This is the best I could do. Really, this is the end result. It looks really nice. I'm not even gonna lie and tell you that I'm good at doing the edges. I am not very good. I suck at doing the edges, you know, the gelling the front of the hair down. So I'm not even gonna bother doing that, guys. This is how it's looking at the moment, is the middle pattern. And if you want to know how I get it slick straight like this, I've got a video that I've just done of how I make my hair really slick and really flat. I'm gonna upload that one before this one. So yeah, the quality is amazing. It feels really soft. It feels like really succulent, really beautiful hair. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and come be a part of my YouTube family. Bye guys.